Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this event just happened a few days ago. Here it is November of 2023 in Australia. And it's a story about George. I don't know his surname, but we call him George the Snakeman. George was the bodyguard of Srila Prabhupada when Srila Prabhupada was here in Australia. So what George does for his livelihood is he captures venomous, not only venomous, but very deadly snakes, and releases them, and he captures them so that they won't harm people. Australia has a reputation for having the largest number of deadly snakes in the world. So George was about to release 3 or 4 of his deadliest snakes into the wild, which he does routinely, when all of a sudden a group of tourists appeared in a vehicle. And so he thought, well, I'm not going to release the snakes while these people are here because they might get bitten. So he climbed into the back seat of his van and just waited. And while he was waiting, he felt a slight tap on his thighs and on his shoulders. And what he realized later on was that the snakes had crawled over his body and gone into the front seat of the car. He sat very still because he knew that with deadly snakes, that the stiller you are, the less they're going to bother you. So after a while, the tourists finally went away, and George released his snakes unharmed into the wild. Hare Krishna.